Following the success of the inaugural event last year in Melbourne, the Sydney Maker Meetup is shaping up as a not to be missed event. It's going to be held on the 11th of June at the Alpha Hotel in Eastern Creek, which is Western Sydney. It's going to start from about 2 p.m. in the afternoon, but hey, you rock up anytime you like. I think the idea will be that we'll all get together for a dinner. It'll go on into the night. You can meet up with everybody. We'd love to see as many of you there as possible. A lot of your favourite YouTubers and makers will be there. I think there's about half a dozen guys coming up from Melbourne, which is absolutely fantastic. Just to name a few, Uncle Knackers, James from Fix It Fingers, myself, Ainsley from Small Fry DIY, Chris from Built by Chris, Dirk from Sumo's Projects, Mario the Woodfather, but I'm really looking forward to meeting other Sydney-based makers and woodworkers. If you're up for a bit of travel, come from wherever you like. We'd love to see you. So as I said, it's on the 11th of June. Clear your calendars. If you've got anything on that day, put it off, postpone it, whatever you need to do, and get down to the Sydney Maker Meetup. It's going to be a fantastic event. Dirk from Sumo's Projects posted a great video recalling that weekend that I went down to Melbourne. The antics that we got up during the weekend, plus the Maker Meetup on the Saturday night, it was great. Everyone had a fantastic time. If you haven't seen it already, I highly recommend that you do. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. So the Maker Meetup falls on the same weekend as a Timber Tools and Artisan Show in Sydney, and a lot of us are going to be there on the Sunday. James from Fix It Fingers has posted a great video about the show. I'll put a link to that in the description below as well. He talks a lot more about the show, how you can get involved, and he's also got some double passes that he's giving away. So make sure you go and watch his video so you find out about that. I'm so looking forward to the Maker Meetup and the whole weekend, and I hope to see you there too.